Good afternoon, everyone. My name is ARTH, and now today, this is the third episode of my Python with ARTH series, which is the number guessing game, which uses the library random. So this is my program. The program starts off with the number guessing game. This is a comment. We will import the random library, which is very helpful for this program since we want to create the game. We need to, in the guessing values part. Now we'll choose a difficulty level for a game. So for every game, there's a difficulty level. So there's for Minecraft and all. So if the difficulty level dot lower, it's easy, then upper limit. So we are basically defining a limit of numbers. Here, 1 to 10, 1 to 30, 1 to 50. So it's basically a number guessing game from those particular set of values. So if difficulty level is easy, for every difficulty level, I have mentioned the upper limit and the lower limit as well. And else, if by mistake the user enters such a level which is not mentioned as a choice, then it will be printed that invalid difficulty level. Please choose from the given options. Then the secret number. So here random is important. Random will help you to actually define the secret number on its own from the lower limit and the upper limit. Then we'll print welcome to the number guessing game at this particular difficulty level. Then print guess the number between lower limit and upper limit. So finally it has set the number. Now it's asking the user to guess the number. The guess will be our input. My guess was 4. Now my guess was not right because it was too high. So I have mentioned that if your guess is equal to the secret number, congratulations, I've cleared it. If it's, less than the secret number, your guess is too low. Or if it's greater than the secret number, your guess is too high. So thank you everyone. Like and subscribe my channel for more videos of Python and robotics.